If you're going to be really great at this, you don't think in terms of projects, you think about products. The really important thing for most companies is the recognition that there are new ways of doing business. There's new ways of interacting with your customers. There's new ways of managing your internal processes that collectively we call digital. I think that the good news is that most major businesses have taken some steps in that direction. Moving to the cloud gives me the ability to get the resources that I need as I need them. And that's the essence of the cost argument. But it also allows me to do some other very important things. It allows me to go and get the best software and services, the best components, and not be responsible for managing and upgrading them. I can reallocate all those people that I was using just for care and feeding of a database to do other great new things, build new innovative applications rather than just keeping something up and running. And it allows these systems to run at a scale that would have been challenging for me to do. The important thing from understanding how this all ties into digital transformation is, by virtue of the fact that it's all sitting in the cloud, it also can all be linked together. That's where APIs come into play, where I don't just have a whole bunch of disparate systems. These are actually working in concert, and that's where when we talk to CIOs, they start to get very excited. I think that IT has traditionally thought in terms of projects. This is something that I'm going to begin and end. I think what we understand now is that if you're going to be really great at this, you don't think in terms of projects, you think about products. And the thing about products is they have a life cycle, they have a roadmap. You keep on improving them, you keep on checking in with your customers and building the next version. And a digital product, which is what we're talking about in this case, has a wealth of analytics data that can guide you into how you go and make that improvement. Where do you invest your resources? What isn't as important? What's going to have the most impact in improving this product? It's going to be cloud-based, it's going to be API-based, and it's going to be data-based. Those are going to be the lifeblood of this whole new system that you build. But again, don't fall into the trap of thinking that these are going to replace a lot of your existing assets, a lot of your existing architecture. Your ERP systems, SAP, that's going to continue to be an important part of your architecture. But what you're building is a new digital platform that sits on top of those assets and allows you to leverage them in new ways. You're going to build new applications in a very agile fashion that are designed to meet the scale. You're going to source new applications from software as a service partners. You are going to leverage data in new types of ways, including increasingly machine learning, artificial intelligence as ways to anticipate what the user wants. And the connective tissue that's going to bring that all together is going to be APIs.